How to sign up with your Vinted account. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to get signed up to your Vinted account or create a new account, the steps are simple. To get started with, open any of your browser and search vinted.com. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, which will open the menu. From there, you have to now click on the sign up button or login button, which should redirect you to another page. Now select the option Continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple. For now, I'll be using my Google account. Choose the account that you want to create the account with, give permission and tap on Continue. And after the verification, you'll be directed to another page. Now you'll have to solve a CAPTCHA in order to get signed in or logged in. Just slide and complete the puzzle, and once that has been verified, you can finish up the registration. Tap on Continue, give in a username, and then you're good to go and the account has been created. This way, you can now use your Vinted.com account easily. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.